Okay, so it is now 3 a.m. and the water looks like it might have stopped, maybe? We have to empty this thing out into the tub like 10 times. And it is freezing. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is in the room. The whole thing is covered in water. Every single corner is covered in water. It's like, I don't even know, 2 inches maybe? I mean, there's stuff floating around. The hallway, everything is covered. So, this is what used to be my room. It now feels like the Nile River. All soaked. Everything. Oh, my picture. That's just great. I'm not gonna put it up there. Everything is wet. And we called almost 2 hours ago. A guy came, he looked at it, he left, never called back, didn't tell us what he was doing. We kept calling and calling. This is my closet. I'm not gonna turn the light on because the water was coming from the light bulb. But the whole thing is just soaked. And it is really cold. Really cold. I mean, it's like a slip and slide. It led all the way outside. And it snowed. And oh, it stopped snowing. And this was not fun. And now we have to clean all this up.